This is the Pamu Quiet Mini, a noise-cancelling earbud that only costs $69. But is this thing worth it? Well, let's start with the unboxing to find out. From the left, you get heaps of documentation and guidelines from Pamu and two pairs of ear tips nicely tucked inside a tray. In the middle, of course, there is the Pamu Quiet Mini earbuds itself. Then on the right side, there is a faux leather carry pouch and a small USB-C cable to charge the Pamu, but no charging brick. And that's about it. Design-wise, I think this is one of the better looking cases that Pamu has created thus far. It does kind of remind you of the Pamu Slide a little bit, but it has a way smaller footprint than that, which makes it practical to carry around in your pockets this time around. The build quality of the case, however, feels to be on the cheaper side, as the lid of the case is very thin and the hinge at the back feels a little bit flimsy. So I am not sure how well it will keep up with accidental drops. But the most concerning thing is that the magnets holding the earbuds in its place are very weak and cannot even hold them in a place even for a single shake. But the saving grace is that the magnets between the lid and the case is very strong, which will make sure that your earbuds are not going anywhere. The earbuds look way smaller and lighter than the previous generation of Pamu earbuds. In fact, they are only 5.1 grams each, which means they are even lighter than the AirPods Pro. So coupled with its IPX4 rating water resistance, the Quiet Mini are a good choice for people who are traveling or who want to get some exercise done wearing headphones, because the Quiet Mini are very comfortable and can provide a good and secure seal on the ear canals, given that you have found the right sized ear tips that fit your ears. The earbuds have a playtime of up to 4 hours or more depending on how you use it, which can be extended to almost 18 hours with the charging case. And to recharge the case, you can either use the USB-C port or any Qi-enabled wireless charging mat, which is super convenient. But even better is the fast charging capability, which gives 1 hour of playing time in just 10 minutes of charging. It is also very good to see that the Pamu has improved their sensitivity quite a bit on their touch sensors. You can also hear a small ticking sound when they are touched. This means you can more accurately command to play or pause music, call your phone's voice assistant, skip a track forward, etc. But I still find a little bit difficult to skip a track backwards though. Most of the time I end up playing the same track over and over again, so not sure what is happening there, but overall it's pretty good and very responsive. Other than that, Pamu has also finally come up with its own app to control their earbuds. Here you can toggle between noise cancellation and transparency mode, then go into settings and see battery levels, or check for the latest firmware updates, or customize the touch functions on each earbud, whichever way it feels convenient for you. The Pamu Quiet Mini has two sets of microphones which are used for feed forward or feed backward based noise cancellation, and the outcome is pretty good. It does manage to block out lower end noises like moving traffic or low hum of an aircon, but high-pitched sounds do come through as expected. There is a low hissing sound when the noise cancellation is on, but it's not intolerable. I just wish it had some sort of a vent like the AirPods Pro does to reduce the pressure that you feel when A.N.C is on. But other than that, the Quiet Mini performs very well for a $69 earbud. The transparency mode, however, needs some work. It picks up way too much noise from the surrounding area. Even when you are inside, it will sound like you are in a windy area outside. And in terms of sound quality, I actually quite liked it. I think that the quality is way better when the noise cancellation is on. That way it feels like the Quiet Mini has a wider soundstage, and it also feels that it is a very bass forward earbud. The voices sound clear and other mids sound quite crisp. However, it may not be the sharpest on the treble end, as the sounds coming from the cymbals or the hi-hats lack a little bit of edge. But then again, for watching movies and listening to hip-hop and EDMs, these are more than just fine. They also have a separate mode for gaming, which is not like turning on aptX codec by the way, but apparently it should help with latency. Since I am not a huge gamer myself, I could not really tell the difference while trying this out, but nevertheless, in all my time using this pair, I never had any issue with connectivity or synchronization. Another good thing is that both the earbuds are master earbuds, meaning you can use either the left or the right to take a phone call or listen to music. But even better is the fact that jumping between mono and stereo mode does not require you to reset the headphones, which is a very common case among cheaper headphones. So I am glad that Pamu solved this issue. Plus, calls sound pretty clear too. Just take a listen to the couple of samples that I took in various areas and let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. I am now indoors in a shopping center car park. There are so many different types of sounds happening in the background. So if you can hear me well here, I would say that the call quality is pretty good. Now I am outside, there is a whole lot of traffic around, it's also raining a little bit, so a lot of different kind of sounds. The mic seems to be doing okay here at isolating my voice from all this. Inside my car now there is no noise around other than just some rain outside. This is where you should hear the actual sound of the mic, which is pretty good I must say. So overall, I think that for $69, Pamu packs a lot of tech and features into the white mini. And by doing that, they had to make some sacrifices mainly with the build quality of the case. But still, what you have here is one of the best noise cancelling earbuds under the $100 mark. Anyways, that's it from me today guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafi signing off till next week. Peace!